In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your design on Redbubble. Uploading your artwork on Redbubble is a fantastic opportunity for artists and designers to showcase their creations to the world. Whether you're an experienced seller or just starting, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your artwork can find its home on various products from t-shirts to stickers, all offered by Redbubble. First things first, let's navigate to Redbubble's website. Once you're there, you will see a vibrant community of independent artists, an impressive array of products featuring their designs. To get started, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to sign up. It's pretty straightforward. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you input the email address you used to sign up for your Redbubble account and the password you chose. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, Redbubble offers a way to reset it. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to the part of the site where you can start selling your art. Look for the option that says Sell Your Art on the home page. This is your gateway to becoming a Redbubble artist. Next, find and click the Add New Work button, which will direct you to a page where you can begin uploading your artwork. Click Upload New Work. Here's where the real fun begins. Now it's time to choose the file containing your design. Make sure your artwork meets Redbubble's quality standards for printing. High-resolution images will look the best on the wide variety of products that Redbubble offers. Once your design is uploaded, give it a title. Titles are important as they can help your artwork to get found. Be descriptive, but also try to catch the eye and interest of potential buyers. Tags are next. These are crucial for helping people discover your art through search. Think about what words people might use when looking for a design like yours. Include relevant keywords, but avoid spamming unnecessary tags. Write a description for your work. This is your chance to tell potential buyers about the art, the inspiration behind it, and any other details that might make it more appealing. It doesn't have to be a novel, but a few sentences can go a long way. If your design includes mature content, you'll need to indicate this by selecting yes for mature content. If not, simply choose no. It's essential to be accurate here to comply with Redbubble's policies and to ensure your artwork is appropriately categorized. Now, check the box to confirm that you hold the rights to the artwork and that it adheres to Redbubble's community and copyright guidelines. This step is crucial as it's about respecting creators' rights and ensuring everything on the platform is above board. Finally, click on Save Work. This last step will upload your design onto Redbubble and voila, you are now officially a Redbubble artist, with your artwork available for the world to see and purchase on a plethora of products. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips to enhance your Redbubble experience. Spend some time browsing the site to understand the various products available and see how other artists present their work. Consider how your art can be adapted or optimized for different products. Engage with the community, respond to comments on your works, and maybe even promote your Redbubble portfolio on your social media to drive more traffic to your designs. Uploading your design on Redbubble is just the beginning. The real magic happens as you continue to add more designs, refine your art listings with better titles, descriptions, and tags, and become an active member of the Redbubble community. Your art has the potential not only to reach people all over the world, but also to become a part of their everyday lives. That wraps up our guide on uploading your design on Redbubble. Happy creating, and may your designs find homes far and wide.